Hi guys, and welcome back to the Cheer from Head to Toe channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some bows from Bows of London. I'm just going to speak into existence. One day we are going to do a collaboration and visualizing it's going to happen. But if we are meeting for the first time, hi, my name is Caroline and this channel is dedicated to keeping you up to date with everything in UK cheer, because if you didn't know, I'm obsessed. It brings me so much joy and I want to share that joy with the world. So, come on, let's get to the good stuff. So these bows were sent by Bows of London. Bows of London are an epic brand. They're innovative, they're out there. They make material bows and they also make ribbon bows. They are pushing, the boundaries of what bows are meant to look like. They're always doing new innovative things. They are the leaders in the game and I adore them. It is a family-run business. It's run by two sisters and their mum, and they are just killing it at the moment. Snap snaps for Bows of London. And fun fact, the two sisters used to cheer on Casablanca back in the day, so I think that's why they get it so much, because they are cheerleaders and they understand what cheerleaders want for a bow because they used to be cheerleaders. That's just my personal opinion. So today I'm going to be reviewing the purple spirit bow. Oh, do you see that? Gorgeous. And the black charmed bow. Come on. Gorgeous. Which are from their ribbon bow collection. Okay, first bow we're going to be talking about is the purple, focus for me, is the purple spirit bow. This bow is 3.3 inches. It is a ribbon bow with a sew back and center. Is made of a metallic material. Can you see how gorgeous this bow is? And I'm not even doing it, and it's already sparkling. Oh. And look at the center bit there, gorgeous. And they even put stuff on the back as well. A lot of bows don't have that, but to them quality is important and making sure it's a premium product. So, and on every bow has their little focus, made in England. So overall, love this bow. It's a metallic bow. I love the center piece, diamond piece there. I think it's stunning. The bow really holds shape. It's just a gorgeous overall bow. I just love it. I love to wear it. Obviously, from today we are purple. I feel like a diva when I wear this bow. I feel like I look good. I feel good. Oh, it's £18, which is a great price for a bow. And it's really nice that they've started making these bows, because it means, like, Bows of London, they are luxury bows. They are like the high end. They are couture. They are more expensive bows. So these bows allows everyone to be a Bows of London girl. So something to think about. I think it's really good as a Christmas present or a present for Valentine's Day. Just an all over present. I just love this bow. Love the colour. They also do. I think they do it in a gold, black, and a red. So there's a colour for everyone, but yeah, love. But going on next, I love this bow, but I am obsessed with the black charmed bow. Have to come closer. Can you just see that? Can you just see that? I'm going to put a light on it so you can see the sparkles. And you see that? Oh. Features of this bow. This bow is made of black. The black ribbon bow. It is 3.3 inches with a sew back and center. It is metallic scattered of rhinestones. The material finish is shine. Obviously, like if you can see them too, it's like a satiny, like just your standard how you imagine ribbon bows to be material. And it can be shipped within 3 to 10 working days, and it is sold internationally. Absolutely adore this bow. The rhinestones on it sparkle like no other if you have this in the sunlight. I always get compliments when I wear this bow. People are like, where's one? My bows of London, bows of London. So love this bow. Also they have the Montes on the back as well. It goes all the way around, which I think you don't see on every, like, not all bow people put the bows all the way around. And the one other thing I really like is that the bows, the rhinestones are all different sizes. It's just something that elevates a product, you know. I don't know, I just love it. I just love it that they put like rhinestones on the back, something they didn't really need to do, but it makes it more couture, makes it more, you love it more. You just feel like they've really thought about all the details, and it looks gorgeous on my head. I get so many compliments when I wear this bow. So many people want it. Oh yeah, this bow retails at £38, which I think is a great for a Christmas present for a cheerleader. This is something that would last you, you know, you take care of it, it's beautiful. You wear this to all your fancy things. You don't just have to wear these for cheer things, you can wear these just in everyday life, especially at Christmas time. Just put this on, oh, you're gonna look stunning. Even on the side, like obviously I've got my hair up in a bun, but I also wear my hair in an afro because I love to, and all I do is I just take a safety pin, a clip, and then I just wear it on the side like that. So these bows can be worn in many ways. I've also seen like other people who get their hair done at the back and they clip it on at the back like that, which I think is really nice, that you can wear these bows in a variety of ways. So I just wanted to put out to you, I'm absolutely in love with these bows. I'm so happy in my Bows of London girl now. I just love it. I love the glitz, the glam of it all. I love that it's a decent product. It's, you know, the quality is amazing. Once again, they're from the UK, which is always going to put a smile on my heart. You know, female women do it from themselves, and we're from the UK. I told you guys we're taking over. And also the packaging. It came in this lovely box. It was wrapped all nicely. It had a ribbon around the front. It was nicely packaged, if you can see the packaging there. So if you decide to order one, it will be delivered nicely. It also comes with some like safety, like in case they're falling off. But I've had this for quite a while, like months, maybe even a year. Yeah, coming up to a year, because I got, yeah, coming up to a year and nothing's fallen off, but they send you these little rhinestones. Focus, please. Yeah, they send me these little rhinestones just in case. So yeah, it comes wrapped in this lovely ribbon. Obviously I had to open it, but it's just the little touches which I really like about this brand. Like, you know, they have their own ribbon. The box comes wrapped in. It comes wrapped in purple paper. And then inside it came with this little, I don't know what this stuff is called, but you know, it's so pretty. They really make an effort with their packaging and the way they represent their brand to be represented, you know. So I'll just quickly show how it came. So they came in the box like that, and then this ribbon was done that with a nice little bow. So it's just, I felt like everything's thought about. It's a lovely present for Christmas. I do not know a cheerleader anywhere who would not want a Bow of London bow. But one thing I would say, get on them because they are in high demand. So if you want to get on them, email them now. So that is everything I have to say about Bows of London. You know I'm a fan, love them, love, you know, the quality bows that I think are stunning and they're made to last. Definitely go check them out. I'll put the information below. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and just wait for all the other exciting stuff we have coming around the corner. You're gonna love it. Yeah. Until next time.